going back towards the car, you're going down this trail, and you can actually see where the spring starts, because look at all the greenery. See, all the trees are nice and green, and the plants and stuff right here. They discovered that spring, and that's what kept this place going, and that's why this place was so important. I get it now. Duh. See, look. See how green everything is now? And the trail goes down by all this vegetation, and it's also real cool down in here. And this is where the spring is. Right down there. Still running. Apache Springs. God knows how long it's been running. This one's from Apache Spring, and it's up here on the trail to go see Fort Bowie.